$100 میخواد. یه دونه داره $1800. نمیخواد. Hello, sir. How are you? Hello. Hello, sir. How are you? Can you hear me? Is it better right now, sir? Okay. Sorry about that, sir.
Where are you calling from, please?
I'm calling from California, Los Angeles.
Which is a school? What are we talking about?
This is about a corporation, company.
What kind of industry?
It's about a private investigator and lie detecting machines services.
1 second.
Welcome to B&H Corporate Sales. Please hold for the next available representative. Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance and training purposes.
B&H Corporate Sales, this is Fred. How may I help you?
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How's it going?
Good. Thank you so much. I really appreciate for asking, sir. Sir, I'm sorry. I'm looking for some thermal cameras right now.
Some what, I'm sorry?
Thermal cameras.
Thermal cameras?
Yes, I seen it on you guys' website. And so you guys have a thermal camera. Do you guys have a ultrasound too?
We might, yeah. It sounds like you're at the stage where you're looking for product advice and recommendations,
Yes.
right? Is that?
I'm really
Okay.
sorry I got to you. I don't know. I'm sorry.
It's no problem. No. We appreciate you calling. I'm not a product specialist. So
I
wouldn't
really
be able
appreciate
to
you find
advise
out that fast.
Yes, but I can connect you over to someone here that can help
Appreciate
you.
it, sir.
And then just to ask you, now this product, these cameras, this for like surveillance video, that kind of equipment?
Yes, professional, like a surveillance, yes.
Surveillance, okay, so
Yes.
let me see there.
Sometimes drone, sometimes surveillance. But mostly surveillance, yes, because, yeah.
Okay, so let me connect you over to extension 7139
Thank you
for
so
surveillance
much.
video, and they'll be happy to help you from here, okay?
Thank you.
You got it, sir. Thank you for calling.
Appreciate
Hold
it.
on one moment, please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.
Gonna one as soon as possible right now here. And probably in 2 hours, 3 hours. همین پشت بندش هم زنگ میزنم از مهدی جان دوباره 2000 تا میگیرم که اش بفرست.